Good evening, traders. Thank you so much for joining in from another video from RLTR Group. So today we are here to present to you our current day progress, the 83,000 that we have made, and also give you an indication as to where the market will be trending tomorrow. Now, just before we proceed, I would ask you to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get a notification of our new video every time it's been uploaded. So today the reason why I'm making a video late is because I would also be doing an analysis as to where the market will be for the next day. So to proceed with that, first we need to understand what exactly happened with the market today. So what happened with the market today was very simple. So over here, at the beginning of the day, we saw the entire Bank Nifty being consolidating in the first 15 minutes. So when we saw that, we actually went ahead with a position on the P side to actually capitalize on the fall of the initial breakout. So that's the P of 31,800 P. So we bought it in the morning at 283 and sold it off at 345, just 1,000 quantity within a span of 5 minutes. And our next position was taken on to a C when it started taking a support onto the bottom, and we were waiting for it to cross. Now, we didn't expect a 90% retracement, but we then found out that there is a particular trend line which actually came here to act as a bit of a resistance. So we were planning to go ahead with a momentum trade. And yes, when the breakout happened, we entered the momentum trade on the CE side, and we entered at 284 and exited at 306, but it went to 360 as well, but that doesn't matter. In the end, we have closed with 83,000 in profits within, just before 10:45. So I think that's a very good day. And after that, we stayed away from the markets, and a lot of our participants did the same. Now, what happened today was that the market butchered everybody at the later point of the day. So this is something that I want you to observe. Okay, so the point is that it was very volatile, and it ended up onto a day's low. So what my predictions? So my predictions are exclusively going to be on Bank Nifty as to how it is going to be reacting. Now for that, first we would need to go ahead and understand as to what are our key levels that we will be looking out for on Wednesday. That would be the 27th. So the key level will be will be found out when we look at the daily candles. So under the daily candles, I see that there is a bit of a support here, below 31,000 that the Bank Nifty is going to take. So I'm expecting Bank Nifty to either go gap down or gap up, and I will be very interested to stay on the P side. So remember that I will take my usual quantity on the P side, but when it comes to the C side, I would not be that enthusiastic. The reason being here is if the market consolidates here for a point and then breaks this particular level, we are going to see a literal target of 30,500. Then we are going to also see some targets around 30,000 as well. So I'm seeing 1,000 points that I can actually aim for, which would be much easier for me. So hence I'm concentrating on the P side when the market opens on the 27th. That will be the Wednesday. So if you're watching this video, I want you to go ahead and prep yourself for a P position that you're going to open up. But if there is going to be any reversal from here, I would also be able to tell you this on my Telegram channel. So please do join the Telegram channel that is listed on the link, and subscribe to our channel for more information so that you can have real-time updates as to when we are flipping our positions. So thank you so much for the day, guys. I hope you had a wonderful time. We will see you around with the next video, and take care. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.